Alright guys, welcome to the Rolling YOLO. This is a drink I came up with, so here's how you make it. You get 2 cups of ice. You'll see later on I actually messed that up, but so technically just get 3. That's really what you're going to need, but you might need to blend it up first like I had to. And then you go for your milk. It doesn't really matter what milk, what type, just whichever one you like. I just use the one I have. You get 6 ounces of that milk, and you just pour it right in there. You know what I'm saying, guys? Now after that's done, you grab your small little measuring device right here, and then you pour some chocolate into it. Rolos are made with milk chocolate, but I just use regular chocolate sauce since I have milk in there already. I figured I'd probably do the same thing, and it did. It tasted almost exactly like Rolo at the end. Sorry to spoil things for you, but you just gotta put 4 ounces of that chocolate sauce in there. You guys might say, "Oh wow, that's a lot," but in hindsight, it's not too much. So if you love chocolate like me, you'll love this, or just caramel in general. So just add those 4 ounces of chocolate. Oh, and there we go. I messed up and didn't squeeze enough in there. I do that sometimes. Now you'll want to get out your favorite shot glass, and I have a Darth Vader one. And then you'll want to get the Smirnoff Caramel Vodka, which is extremely good, extremely sweet. That's the only actual caramel sauce we'll put into the drink, because it's just enough to actually get the taste of the caramel for a Rolo. And you'll want to put 3 shots in there, because it will make quite a bit, this recipe will. And try not to spill like I do every single time I pour something into something. But if you do, that's okay. You'll just have to clean it up later like myself. Now you just want to grab a handful of Rolos. I grabbed about 6 in this video. And undo those and just pop them right into that blender. Because, you know, why not? And you'll want to put the lid on the blender and start blending it till it's mixed. And as you see, it wasn't thick enough for me, so I added another cup of ice, like I told you guys earlier. And now, once it's all blended, you just grab 2 glasses and start pouring. I believe these are 16 ounces or 16 pint glass mason jar glasses, which just are really nice, and I like using to put my drinks in, because you know, you don't finish it, you fucking put a lid on. But now you want to top them with some whipped cream, and you know, put as much as you like on there, for you whipped cream lovers out there. I know I'm one of them. And now you just want to drizzle some chocolate sauce over those. Don't worry if you overshoot it a little bit and start to run down the cup. It happens. You'll be fine. You can just look it up later. And same thing with the caramel sauce. I know you guys were wondering when we were going to use that thing, but here we go. We just drizzle some up on there, as much as you like. It will deform the whipped cream just a little bit, but that's okay. And add a Rolo just for looks on top, and that sweet goodness once you get done with the drink. And of course, don't forget your straws, because who drinks without straws? Savages. And cheers. I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe the video, and I'm sorry that it's been a few weeks since I've gone out with another video. It's been real busy and had a lot of stuff going on. But they should be coming out more. They'll be coming out on a regular basis every single Thursday on your Thursday. So, love you guys. See you next time. Peace.